Hi everyone, Attorney Stephanie Gwen here. If you overstayed your visitor's visa or your student visa and you have an adjustment of status interview coming up soon in May of 2026, USCIS officers may now be asking much tougher questions under this new USCIS policy memo. For a marriage green card, they can still ask questions about your marriage, how you met, where you live, your joint bills, your relationship, and whether the marriage is real. But now, officers may also ask more questions about whether you deserve a favorable exercise of discretion. That means they may ask about your family ties in the United States, your employment history, whether you pay taxes, your education, your English fluency, your community service, religious or volunteer work, your hardship to your spouse or family, criminal history, rehabilitation, bank statements, and other positive equities in your case. And as of May 26, 2026, applicants are already reporting questions like, why are you seeking adjustment of status inside the United States instead of consular processing? Did you know that consular processing was an option? Is there anything preventing you from leaving the United States and seeking consular processing instead? Why didn't you leave the United States before your visitor's visa or your student visa expired? These questions matter because the officer may now be looking at whether you deserve a favorable exercise of discretion, not just whether you qualify on paper. So should you bring documents? Yes, you should bring updated evidence like your marriage evidence, tax records, pay stubs, bank statements, family ties, hardship evidence, medical records, if relevant, community service, church or volunteer letters, and anything else showing why USCIS should approve your case. But do not just volunteer every document unless your attorney advises you to do so or the officer asks for it, but be prepared and be strategic. This is why attorney prep is so important. You may know the questions now, but do you know how to answer them in a way that helps you get a favorable decision? One slip up with these answers could create a serious problem where you could possibly receive a request for evidence, a notice of intent to deny, and worst case scenario, a denial. Like and share this video and call the law offices of Stephanie I'm Gwen today for help with your green card case and any of your U.S. immigration needs.